It's inside the nucleus. So, if you look inside the nucleus, we've got the nucleus of the nucleus, the nucleolus, and then all that other stuff will be the chromatin.
Or hey, come here. What?
No, this right there. That's the nucleoplasm, which is the inside.
Student teacher.
You guys have a question over here? You're just saying it's student teacher all the time?
Is that what they call it?
One of my students does, except he's smaller than me, so it doesn't make any sense. I call him little student.
Turn about fair play, right?
So, remember me telling you that the chromatin is like the DNA and it's located inside the nucleus? So that stuff right there is the chromatin, which just packs the DNA into like a little
Nucleoplasm.
We don't have a light from here.
You don't? Oh, yeah. How about you just draw a light with it?
No.
I was
I'm trying to give you.
I was running out of colors when I was trying to figure out all the different colors I could use.
You can use
Why
black.
do you have to do this?
No, I didn't do that.
In the book.
Rod Zones are black.
Oh man.
I get some
Yeah,
yeah.
so I was really trying to think of some colors.
Oh
How
damn.
Oh yeah.
you guys doing over here?
Why are we doing that? How good do we have to do this? Look at that one too.
The gold. That's actually this one. Yeah, the smooth. Yeah, the smooth is attached to the ER. So that's the main reason you could like remember that. Yeah. The blue on here is also the gold. Yeah. So this one up here is the smooth.
Oh, that might
And then all those dots that are kind of hovering around, those are all just like free flowing vibes.
I love listening to them speak scientific.
You're doing great.
Oh man, not even close. But that's so bad.
Yeah.
Teacher's cheating.
How long have we been doing this so far?
Okay, what are two things found in a plant cell that are not found in an animal
Whose time was the official timer on this lesson?
Zoe is.
Zoe, how much time you got on this lesson?
I mean, you're at 20 minutes.
Alright, little about halfway, little more than halfway.
You guys can try to finish up within the next 5 minutes.
Like you're doing the same thing, and then you can put it on a computer. Clearly, yeah. I take one of these classes.
You guys are getting close.
One side.
Yeah, it has a case on it, so it's like oh, we're already getting freaking tired.
Then just finish up as much as you can in the next 5 minutes, and then the rest could be homework. Yeah, it's gonna be homework. And then we'll move on to the next activity. It's homework.
Is this going for a grade? Is it
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's just completion. It's mostly just for your reference.
That makes me so angry.
As long as it looks good.
To learn.
What color is this? They do an assignment and then they don't collect it and it goes. Yeah.
I worked so hard on it.
You know what, this doesn't necessarily make it
Yeah, or when I take somebody for a completion grade and still have the classes and turn it in. I'm like, really?
Yeah.
I did this for
Yeah.
participation and now you all have 40s.
You take me right now.
Him, just walking around.
Perks of being able to
That big one in the middle?
Well, you said there were one.
Yeah. So only plants that
Oh man, I colored it the wrong color. Dang it. You did?
Yeah, that's fine.
Hey, at least it's still green. Now it's just a magical.
Is that a completed cell?
Like green.
Yes.
Here's the color.
Oh,
I don't
It's
think
been a while
that's
since
just,
I
yeah, it's just like a weird.
Dang it. Is it the big one?
Yes.
which ones are the back? Those are the
No, really big one.
Yeah, that's the old.
Big stomach looking
Yeah,
thing.
you got it all.
Alright.
Very nice, looks good. How's the animal cell coming? Good? Looks like you got the colors right so far, nice. Yep, that's correct.
Of course it is.
Because I have a great
Teach
teach me all I know.
Dang
It's a
it.
nice large center vent. Very good.
Okay, yeah, no, these are the mitochondria. The little ones are the mitochondria. Yeah, these should be red.
We did that.
You need a green?
Yes, you did that wrong.
Dark green?
Yeah, you did all.
Can we get that dark green over here?
Oh, that's another one. It's like the best face color.
Alright guys, use this next minute to finish up whatever you're working on, and then we're gonna go on to the next activity.
No.
Ah. Jeez, Blaine. Showing us all out. Oh, you didn't do that one. I thought you like were done. I was like,
Professional color.
orange is.
I'm so good at freshman biology.
Okay guys, finish up that last little bit.
The only thing that's gonna make me feel bad is trying to listen to high school math and still not understanding it after all this time.
Alright, if you guys could take out that second, or actually no, it's the third sheet that I gave you with the table. And for this portion, you can use your notes for the most part because I gave you the functions of a lot of these things on there. So what I want you to do is fill out the first, actually it's the middle column first, that says function and related facts. And just write a brief definition of the function. And then if you could use your laptop or cell phone to maybe look up a fact about that organelle, or maybe just something related to it in general. And just like 2 short bullet points will be good. And then after that, you're gonna go to the third column, and basically, the analogy I'm gonna use is that the cell is really similar to a city, in that all of the parts have to work together in order to function correctly. So I want you to do, and in case you don't know what an analogy is, I guess I should explain that. Analogy just means you're comparing 2 things that are kind of different, but they have a similar meaning. So what I want you to do in the third column is relate whatever the organelle is to a part of the city. So I'm going to give you one example. The nucleus can kind of be considered like town hall. Everything has to go through the nucleus before it can go anywhere else. And yeah, so just start working on those. I would do the function column first, and that'll give you a little bit better of an idea. And if you're struggling to relate it to any parts of the city, I actually, while I was looking up this stuff online, had a lot of good examples. So you can maybe just Wikipedia something, or get something from a little bit more credible website maybe. Yeah. Yes, you can work in groups.
You're so cute. Do you have an extra one?
Yeah.
Being confused with this stuff. So remembering the gatekeeper.
Check yourself, semi-permeable. Yes.
And I understand that some of those are going to be a little bit harder to think of a city, like an analogy to the city, but just do your best.
It's semi-permeable. Isn't the setup
cytoplasm, mainly what it does is it holds the organelles in place, but especially in plant cells, which use turgor pressure to like keep their structure, the cytoplasm does press against the cell wall to give it some of its shape. So that's also a function.
For the SWAT team, like, what are you wrong with this?
I already used law enforcement, I need to use
For what?
Which one did you use that for?
Wrong.
cell number.
Cell memory?
Yeah, is that okay?
I like it, but there's another one also that would be considered like,
The cell wall,
Or a gate?
right?
I'm looking more at something that like protects the cell and like on the inside, kind of like gets rid of things,
Oh.
fights them off, disposes of things.
I think like garbage man.
It does with an arrow.
Garbage man?
Save that for
Like,
later.
get rid of stuff?